So let us see another example, finding the time complexity for recursive equation or recursive code by using substitution method. Okay. So here we are going to little modify for the earlier question. So that is we are adding 2 here. So in this case, what is the time complexity? So if you already seen that question, you please try once and then let us see the discussion. Okay. So now we are going to find out what is the time complexity for this given equation. So if you take t of n, so this is the base condition here. Okay. Now if you take t of n, then we are going to have here 2t root n plus c. Now this value you have to find as usually like earlier, what is its equivalent one. So t of root n we have to find out. So in place of n you have to substitute root n actually. So that means 2t root n we are going to substitute plus c. So this if you substitute back here 2 into, okay, so here 2t of n power 1 by 2 square plus c, this is whole thing is equal to this part and then remaining plus c. So if you expand this one, 2 square 2t of n power 1 by 2 square plus 2c plus c. Okay, or you can write down this as a 3c. So next if you continue, here what is this one? So this is its equivalent is what? So same thing like if you substitute, we are going to get actually 2 cube 2t of n by 1 by 2 cube plus 2 power 0, that means 1 is there here, 2 power 1, then 2 square c plus 2c plus c, or this you can write as 7c also. Okay. Now so if you observe here 3 and here in the power is 3 and here up to 3 minus 1, that means up to 2. Now in this way if you continue, okay, so assume that we are at the kth recursive call, so that means 2 power k t of n by 2 power k 1 by 2 power k plus this, how you can write actually 2 cube, that means 8 minus 1, that means 2, this is actually 2 cube minus 1, that means this is equal to k, right? So that means here 2 power k minus 1 into c. So at the kth iteration this is what happening. So now assume that this is reached the base condition. Okay, that means it is reached, assume now a value at here is 2, like in earlier example we already seen. So now assume that n power 1 by 2 power k is equal to base condition is 2. So even this also we solved in earlier question, but let us see quickly. If you take both sides log n power 2 power k base 2 log 2 base 2, okay, then this will become 1 by 2 power k log n base 2 1, and then this will become log n base 2 2 power k. Then you, to get the k value again take the log value both sides. So log n base 2 log 2 power k. So then you will get the log n equal to k. So this k we are going to substitute in this original equation. So here what we are going to have here. So here if you see 2 power log 2 log n base 2, then t of, this is whole thing is equal to 2 actually. So t of 2 plus again here 2 power log, again here k is there, so k equivalent is log 2 n here 2 into minus 1 into c. So what is this one here? So if you see in logarithmic we are going to have one formula, that is a power log b base a. So this is equal to b actually. Okay, so here in base we have a here, in log base also we have a here. So here we have 2 and here we have 2, so this will become the b part. Okay, so that means log n base 2 and t of 2, whenever n value is 2, returning is 1, that means t of 2 is going to become 1 plus, so same thing here, whatever is there here also same thing, that means log n base 2 minus 1 into c. So if you simplify this one, what we are going to have, c plus 1 log n base 2 minus c. Okay, now in this is constant and minus c is constant, so what is the time complexity? Big O of log n base 2 is the time complexity. So that is answer is option A actually. So in this way we can find out. So only thing is how to substitute back, if you understand, then when it is reaching the base condition, if you understand, then finding the time complexity for recursive codes, in worst case this method is going to help you a lot actually. Okay.